Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to spell table in Publisher across pages. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Then we go to the Insert menu. Then click the Table option and insert a table. Now we can see we insert a table. Now we resize this table some big. Then select the table middle cell and go to the layout menu. Then click the merge option. Then select the whole table cell and go to the table design menu. Then click borders drop down menu, choose all borders. Then click the merge cells and go to the borders drop down menu again and click right side border. Then again go back this option and click left side border. Then click outside of the page and move this table across pages. Now we can see we make this table spelled across pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.